This Olivia Gardner brush cleaner claims to clean all brush models, but does it actually work? Well, it does have a really ergonomic handle. It feels really solid. One side has metal cleaners that are curved and slightly farther apart, and then the other side has metal cleaners that are really close together and fanned out. So first, let's try this on my paddle brush with wooden bristles. And I'm just going to take this back and forth in both directions, and it is working. I'm using the longer side of this brush cleaner, and it's really getting down to the cushion part and getting those little hairs that if I tried to clean it with another comb per se, would not come up. So I'm really liking the way this works on this wooden paddle brush. There are no knobs at the end of these bristles, and so the tool is sliding right through. So I'm really satisfied with that. Next, I'm going to try the tool on a boar bristle brush. This brush is notoriously hard for me to clean and get all of the hairs out of it. So I'm going to start going in all directions with the larger side of the tool, and then I'm going to follow up with the smaller side of the tool to get anything that I missed. And I think that it worked really well. It got out a good amount of hair, definitely more hair than if I ran a comb through it or just tried to pick it out with my hands. So I would say that this tool on a bristle brush, like a board bristle brush, is definitely effective. Finally, I'm going to try this tool on my husband's dryer vent brush. Now, this brush is really hard for me to clean and also to get the lint that tends to build up at the bottom of these bristles. And there are little knobs at the end of each of these bristles, which makes cleaning it without a tool like this a lot harder. And as you can see here, there is a lot of hair coming out of his brush, and I'm really satisfied with that. Now let's see how it works on the lint part of this brush that's at the base. So to get at that, I'm going to take the smaller, thinner end of this tool with the bristles more packed together, and I'm just going to go in with that at the base of these bristles. And it's definitely disturbing the lint that builds out there. It disturbs it to the point where either it's coming out or you can tap the brush upside down on a hard surface and it'll shake out. I really, really love the way that this tool removes the hair from my brushes, and I can either just use the brush as is, or I can successfully put it into, say, some water, some soapy solution to really get my brushes clean. This tool is waterproof, so you can actually stick this in with the solution and your brushes and get an even deeper clean. And this brush cleaning tool cleans up really easily with soap and water. Just rinse it off and pat it dry and leave it to dry completely after that. So if you are looking for an easy and effective brush cleaning tool, this one is it.